Welcome back to Inspiring Path. Let's make a Kadala roast in a simple way. The essential ingredients are the usual onion, tomato, green chili, curry leaves, ginger, garlic, and for the masalas, chicken masala, salt, Kashmiri chili powder. You can put it upon your taste. Now to the method. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of coconut oil and split up mustard seeds with curry leaves and put onions into it and saute the onions till it's golden brown in color. Once the onions have been sauteed, add rest of the ingredients, which were tomatoes, coriander leaves. Sorry, I haven't mentioned coriander leaves before, so please add coriander leaves, ginger, garlic, and then saute it well so that the tomatoes and the coriander leaves have been totally combined with the coconut oil. Now add the Kashmiri chili powder. I have used 1 teaspoon. You can use it upon your taste. Then add chicken masala. This is the main ingredient for the Kadala roast, which gives a different taste altogether. You can add 1 teaspoon. Now the next step is to mix all these masalas, which are Kashmiri chili powder, the chicken masala and salt, which I've not mentioned but have already added in the beginning with the onions. Now mix all these masalas well. Now it's time to add the boiled kadla, which is the black peas, into the onion and tomato mixture. Now you have to mix all these well. Blend well so that the extra water in the whole mixture gets evaporated. Now if you want, you can put the flame on a little high so that the extra water gets evaporated very quickly. Now the reason why we've been evaporating the extra water is because we need a roast type. Because in a roast, not much water is required, not much gravy is needed. So you evaporate excess water. But if you guys need extra gravy, then you can serve it in a similar manner. But I prefer is without water, so just I put it in a little flame and remove the extra water in it. Now it's all ready. And for the final part, you can garnish it with curry leaves and close the lid. Thank you.